Apple might be building the most ambitious smart home gadget we've ever seen. A tabletop robot that follows you around the room, responds to your presence, and could become the centerpiece of your connected home. We've got new details from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, and if they're true, this could be Apple's answer to Amazon's Astro with some very Apple twists. Gurman reports that Apple's prototype looks like an iPad mini mounted on a movable limb, capable of swiveling and repositioning itself to track you around a room. This isn't a home robot in the Rosie the Robot sense. It's more like a smart display with personality. Think of it as a HomePod meets FaceTime device with eyes. According to the leak, Apple is targeting a 2027 release window for the robot. Before that, Apple is reportedly planning a HomePod with a screen, now pushed to 2026. The robot could be a premium follow-up, both running the same underlying smart home software. Gurman says Apple is also testing smart home security gear, cameras, smart doorbells, and facial recognition features that could automatically control your home. This sounds very similar to Amazon's Ring and Blink lineup, but with Apple's focus on privacy and deeper ecosystem integration. Amazon's been scaling back hardware projects after struggling to monetize them. Apple tends to play the long game, entering late, but with highly polished hardware and software. The robot will reportedly feature a new Siri powered by large language models. Apple is testing Linwood built in-house, and Glenwood using external models. A smarter, more conversational Siri could make or break this whole smart home push. If Siri finally becomes truly useful, this robot could be your home's command center. Facial recognition and constant tracking raise privacy questions. Apple will likely emphasize on-device processing, but convincing customers will still be a challenge. So what do you think? Is a swiveling iPad robot the future of the smart home? Or just another expensive Apple experiment? Drop your thoughts below. If you want to stay ahead on Apple leaks and AI-powered gadgets, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I've got more deep dives coming soon.